Why rich parents start investing when their kids are 3, not 18. Stop being a broke parent who ruins their kids' future. I'm about to expose the brutal truth about why your children will struggle financially while rich kids retire as millionaires. And it all comes down to one decision you're probably screwing up right now. While you're wasting time debating whether to start investing for your kids, wealthy parents already opened investment accounts when their children turned 3 years old. And here's the math that will make you sick too. A child starting at age 3 with just $30 monthly will have $2.5 million by retirement. But your kid starting at 18 needs $200 monthly for the same result, meaning you're literally stealing 7 times more money from your family's future because you waited 15 years like every other clueless parent. Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after age 50 because compound interest had decades to multiply his early investments. Here's what smart parents do that you're not doing. First, they open custodial accounts through Vanguard the moment their kid turns 3. Second, they invest in index funds averaging 7% annually instead of pathetic savings accounts. Third, they automate everything, so investing happens before spending. And fourth, they teach their children that money works while they sleep. Future self. And the worst part is, they'll never know how wealthy they could have been if you started at 3, instead of waiting until college like every other financially illiterate parent. Most people watching this will nod their heads, feel motivated for 5 minutes, then go back to making the same mistakes that keep families broke for generations. But if you're actually serious about breaking this cycle, here's exactly what you need to do this weekend. Open a custodial investment account at Vanguard, choose a total stock market index fund, set up automatic monthly transfers of whatever you can afford, even if it's just $20, and start teaching your child how money grows over time. Your choice is simple. Either take action this weekend and give your child a multi-million-dollar head start in life, or keep making excuses while rich families continue building generational wealth that your kids will never catch up to. Comment below your child's exact age and I'll personally calculate how much they need monthly to become a millionaire. Smash that like button if you're actually going to implement this instead of just watching. And subscribe because I'm going to keep exposing the financial strategies that wealthy families use while broke families. Stay broke. The time for excuses is over. Your child's financial future starts this weekend.